Hello Twisters, it's been a long time since I posted my last video, the dragon. So this time I want to teach you something fun. It's not a usual balloon animal, rather a noisemaker. It's shaped like a fly or a dragonfly or something, but if you blow it here, it made that noise. Before we do anything, I want to keep it clear that I not encourage kids to put sharp things in their mouth, but it's fun anyway because it made that sound cool. Okay, so what we need? We need lime green 350, a yellow 160, and that's all. Maybe we need a red scrap, just cut it. And what we need is this straw. Basically it's a basic balloon stick. You can buy it at any store. You know, that's the cheapest thing. But it's important to be this hard so it won't flatten, okay? So, let's start with the body. Inflate 350 just like this, okay? Start with two small bubbles, 1 and 2, okay? Tie them together like this. See, okay, lock the twist like this, okay. These will be the eyes, okay. And after that, we want to look like this. So first, push some air out, and what I do, grab the knot and wrap this side of the tube balloon, and the uninflated section goes here, and tie them together and twist them together here. So now it's look like this, okay? That's followed by a pinch twist. Okay, now it looks something like this. See, okay. So after that, basically that's the body. We don't need too much from that, maybe this one. So cut the rest. I really like to have a little uninflated part here because it's like a sting or something. Okay, now it's time to make the wings. Use the 160, okay, like this. Start with two small pinch twists, like this, okay, see? Followed by two small bubbles, like this, and twist it back to the two pinch twists. Now we have something like this. See, two pinch twists, two small bubble. Okay, after that, make maybe an 8-finger bubble, bend it, shape it. Okay, and go back to the pinch twist. See? Now we have something like this. See, the two pinch twists on the top and the two small bubbles on the bottom. Okay. Now measure exact the same size and shape it, and go back up to the pinch twist like this. Okay, break rest, lock it to the size. Okay, so basically that's the wings. Shape it a little like this. See? Cool. Okay, now we need the straw and push it to these two little bubbles. Like this. Do not force it because it can break the balloon. See, something like this. Okay, and after that, grab the body and push it to the eyes. But do not forget, you have an uninflated balloon hidden here, so stretch it and push it to something like this. See? If you do not want the wings to go straight up, just stretch and shape it like this. Okay. See now? Okay, here comes the tricky part. Grab the uninflated red scrap. I prefer to use the neck of the balloon because it will be more funnier at the end. Okay, so we don't need too much, maybe 3-inch long, and push it and slide it to the straw. Okay, so if you want to sure it won't come undone when you blow, just push it in between the eyes. Okay, so it's important to have maybe 5 centimeters long uninflated part here to make the noise, but I encourage you to play. I don't know what the exact length, what's the best, but I tried many lengths, but play with it. Okay, so basically that's it. If you blow it now, it will have the cool noise. Do not forget, maybe a palm length uninflated red, and it sounds so cool. Okay, now it's time for artwork, but I lost my Sharpie. Oh no, it's here. Okay, so draw the eyes like this and like this. Okay, I know that's not my best work, but especially the artwork, but I think it's fun to make these. Believe me, the kids will love it. Okay, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I hope you had fun, and I hope you will have fun making these little noisemaker. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.